Unfortunately, we live longer, and every year we learn to treat new diseases. But this also forces us to innovate. A growing population of elderly and people with chronic diseases increases the pressure on our healthcare resources. Remote patient monitoring is a key to a sustainable healthcare system. With TelluCare remote patient monitoring, a great variety of patients can receive care in their own homes. A remote healthcare service that is efficient, safe, and still feels close to the patient. Simple, user-friendly functions measure the health condition and lets the patient communicate with healthcare workers from their homes. The plan that the patient, the doctor, and other health personnel have established together is integrated in the solution. The data provide a nuanced picture of development over time and make it easier to prioritize patients and to understand who needs a follow-up. It also helps to detect and prevent health problems early on. Remote patient monitoring enables patients to live at home longer. It prevents unnecessary travel and hospitalization. And unnecessary concerns. Patients become more active and informed about their own health. All data is safely stored. TelluCare is a tool that helps patients preserve their health and their everyday life. Simple and safe for those in need of care and those caring for someone.